one is conviction. The reason why I am so happy every time I get a chance to talk to Mayor Benji is because of his conviction to make things happen, to transform a community, to transform Baguio City. It is exactly what I'm doing in the Philippine Sports Commission as chairman in the last 11 months. After more than 20 years as a senior executive in Metro Manila under the Manuel V. Pangilinan MVP Smart Meralco Maynila Group. So ako po yung aking experience sa corporate, ngayon dinalagay ko rin sa government and nare-realize ko masayang trabaho rin naman pala tong gobyerno. At least makapagsilbi until 2028. Kaya po ako hanga sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po. Ngayon, babalik na rin ko rin ho yung program. Kasi ngayon lang ho ako naka-attend ng programa na yung certificate, yung binibigay na award at plaque, binibigay bago magsalita. Usually pagkatapos. O babalik na rin ko ho rin yung akin. Kasi ho, today, I have a very special surprise for Mayor Benji and the city of Baguio. So bago ko ituloy yung speech ko, baliktarin ko na rin yung aking a donation to Baguio City because I believe in the leadership of Mayor Benji Magalong. I believe in the sports program of Baguio. I believe in Baguio as a sports tourism capital. I believe in Baguio's contribution to Philippine sports since the early 70s when we had this gintong alay in the National Teachers Camp. Have you been to Teachers Camp lately? Have you seen the track oval? An average of 1,000 kids, family, lolo, lola, walk there every day from 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. Magandang ilaw. In the next 4 months, your kids can play there because we're building a world-class football pitch in the same oval. Pero ito ho ang mas magandang papalakpakan nyo. Today, hindi ho alam ni Mayor to eh. Mahilig kasi siya sa sorpresa. Di sorpresahin ko na rin siya. Today, we will issue the Philippine Sports Commission check amounting to 20 million pesos for the city of Baguio. Rinumisa po namin ito kay Mayor para matuloy nyo yung inyong athletic ball development, para matuloy nyo yung programa nyo sa Baguio. Sana hindi ito ang huli, sana meron pang ibang grasya, pero let other LGUs emulate the city of Baguio. This is not a donation because we just want to help. This is a donation because you are helping yourselves. This is a donation because you are an example of sports development in the Philippines. And this is a donation because we want you to cherish, acknowledge, and love the Philippine Sports Commission. Alam mo po, sa bawat ikot ko sa buong Pilipinas informing regional training centers, ang sinasabi sa akin ng mga kaibigan kong mayor, gobernador, 35 years na ang Philippine Sports Commission. Pero ngayon lang namin nararamdaman, ngayon lang namin nahahawakan, ngayon lang namin nauunawaan kung ano ba ang role ng Philippine Sports Commission. Ang role po ng Philippine Sports Commission, napakasimple. Magtatag ng sports facilities para sa kabataan, magtatag po ng sports facilities para sa Olympic dream. Why? Because let me tell you a story before I end. I was in Paris in 2024 when Caloyulo won gold in gymnastics inside a 15,000-seater Coliseum. And I was jumping up and down, cheering, shouting, mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Sa sobrang tuwa ko ho, niyakap ko yung taong katabi ko. Hindi ko naman kilala. Niyakap niya rin naman ako. Hindi rin naman niya ako kilala. And then I realized, looking at the Philippine flag, that when you hoist the Philippine flag and you sing Lupang Hinirang because you just won the Olympic gold, alam niyo po ba, you cannot sing the national anthem dahil lulunurin ng luha nyo yung pagkanta nyo, because that is the best gift a national athlete can give the Filipino people. That is why Hidilyn Diaz and Caloyulo will forever be national heroes of this country. And I know that with this donation, one day in the near future, an Olympian and a gold medalist will come from this beautiful city of Baguio. So, Mayor,